Hi guys! For those of you who love paper and washi tape and all kinds of goodies, and for those of you who love Echo Park Paper, they have a mailing box that they send to your home every month if you sign up for their monthly subscription. I did not sign up for the monthly subscription because I don't know if I'm going to like exactly or could use what they send. So what I do is I do it on sort of like a monthly basis, and it's a little bit more money, but it allows me to see it before I order it. That way I'm not locked into a subscription at all. So anyways, this is January's and I love it. Let's get started. Okay, so in the box, they send you all of these things. Here is the information. Let's see what this is. This is Lumberjack collection. Okay, so that's at Echo Park Paper. And they have a Valentine. And this is what I ordered, which is the Home Again Inspiration. Okay, so I'm going to take everything out of my box because it's kind of clumsy on my table, and we'll take a look at it. Okay, here are all my goodies, and I'm super excited. Let's start with the paper. We'll start with the paper. And we'll get this out. This is so beautiful. This is Home Again, Cartabella. And as those of you who know, I am a paper fanatic. I love, oh wow, this feels so pretty. I love all kinds of paper. It smells like paint. Okay, so I pulled all the papers out and I looked through them because this is our kitty cat. This is our kitty cat who loves these papers. I pulled them out and I wanted to look at them because they're really, really pretty, but I was kind of disappointed because they only have one of each. So for instance, this one has two that I absolutely love, this side and this side. So it's going to be hard to choose how to use these two. This is some little die cuts that come out, which is super adorable. The truck. And here is the truck with some wood grain. This is pretty. These are little vases. And little tags you could cut out with a stripe. Now this one is similar to this one. So what is on? Oh, that's pretty. The robin egg blue. That's nice. Oh, I love these. These bows. And some ferns. That's like a chalkboard. And here are the bows. Look how pretty those look with both of these. And here are some journaling cards you could cut out And they're on the other side of the bows. So this is really cute. I like this a lot too. And then we have some just like paper. Oh, look at this. And then you could cut out some of these strips. And I like this plaid. That's nice. And they have some cards to cut out also. So the paper's very pretty, and it's great cardstock. It feels really, really nice. This is my favorite one, this one, and unfortunately the one on the back. These two are my favorite. So I'm going to put these here, and let's go ahead and check out the other goodies that came in the bag. So we'll put these here. So here is some washi tape. That looks nice. And here are some stamps. Those are very nice. Here's a tiny little paper pad. This is nice. This gives you just that little bit of extra. Oh, this is fun to see it this way. Let me fold this here. Oops, this came out. Oh, so did this one. But that's okay. They're all coming out. But that's not a problem. Now I believe this is giving us more. This is giving us, yes, this is giving us a couple of sheets of this. So that's nice. So even though we only have one of the big one, we have several in here. Okay, so here we have the enamel dots, which you can just take these off and decorate. Those are very nice. And here are some tags. So the goodie box, it comes with a lot of accessories along with the paper. So oh, that's cute. These are great. Where's the truck? I love the truck. There's the truck. Okay, so I love these. These are little tags. And here are the chipboard accents. So these, they look pretty good. I'm not going to take them out of here. They're a little harder. Very, very nice. This is us, our life, our story, our home. And there's that adorable truck. And there we have it. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you enjoyed looking at these wonderful paper crafts. And this one again, this one's called Home Again. So, Echo Park Paper Company. And this was January's edition. So, take care. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye-bye.